morning, everybody. This is Sherman Ray, and this is Leadership in Action for a Tuesday morning. I want to thank you all for coming by and being with us for these couple of minutes just to talk to you a little bit about some leadership principles. Just recently, our president said something pretty remarkable, and he said something along the lines of hey, if you've built a business, then you probably didn't do it by yourself. Somebody else probably did it for you, or somebody else helped you along the way. And by and large, I mean, I guess it's a partial truth in there, is that nobody actually does everything by themselves. There's no I in team. It always takes a team of people. But there is a large part of that that's probably false. One of the things that we really want to get into your mind today is that you are an extraordinary person, that you do extraordinary things. And what I mean by that is that you do things that are extraordinary. That means extraordinary things. Okay, let me put those words together once again. Extra and ordinary. Okay, so you do more of ordinary things. Okay, that's what separates you from regular people. Regular people are not willing to get up in the morning to do the work that it takes to build a business. Regular people are not willing to stay up late at night and to get in that last bit of studying or make that contact or anything like that. There are a lot of things that you do that are extraordinary. They're not things that anybody else couldn't do. They're things that other people could do definitely, but they're not willing to do it. And that's what makes the difference. And that's why I would have to disagree with our president that's saying, hey, guess what, I owe people anything, because guess what? They could do the exact same thing if they just chose to do it. It's like making these videos on a weekly basis. That a lot of people could do it. It's very easy to do. It's nothing very hard. I set up a camera. I'm out here in God's nature right here, and hummingbirds flying all around me and stuff like that. As a matter of fact, one came by just a minute ago and he's scaring the heck out of me. but it's not hard to do this. But people are not willing to do this. They're not willing to have the vision, the drive, the determination. So you are an extraordinary person who does ordinary things. You do extraordinary things. Hey, this has been Sherman Ray. This has been Leadership in Action. If you like what you've heard here, folks, I really want to encourage you to get on my website, get on my newsletter. Let me know, hey, Sherman, do you like what we're doing here? And I'd like to hear more from you on that. I really love the feedback. Been getting great response from these videos, which is cool. If you would like a personal success coach, I'm here for you, folks. We're here to help you drop pounds and get motivated and to live out your dreams. Or if you're looking for a networking group that you'd like to be a part of and you're in the Las Vegas area, definitely, by all means, come on down to the Diversity Networking Group, and we'll work with you. Be sure to listen to our internet radio show, which is on tomorrow at 10:30. That's going to be on Ustream.tv. It's called This Week on D&G Radio. We've got some great stuff on there. We're going to talk a lot about business and networking. Wow, we've got so much stuff going on, folks. Anyways, this has been Sherman Ray. We will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.